it's recording at this very moment. Hurry up! No, stop it! No, what are you doing? Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Don't touch it! That was so close to your vagina.
Lesbian. Hi.
Remember that?
I was just thinking about that.
No, you weren't.
I saw one.
Oh my god!
We're getting weirder by the minute.
Oh, that.
I could use one.
Get the fuck out of here!
Me?
Stop eating your ice cream with my magical spoon!
You fatto! Just kidding.
Oh! No, what are you doing to the camera, you ass? You fucking dumbass. Tissue.
Dude, you might want to move back.
What? Shut up!
Remember from last time? That was
Yes.
really funny.
Should I just...
What? Yes, she did just make herself fall off the bed.
Cause you have my magical spoon!
Mine is better, yay!
We Don't hit me.
I'm not Madeline. There you go.
What are you doing? Oh my goodness! What is wrong with you? Stop it! Fag.
You just put your hair in my magical spoon.
I can't reach it.
Next one. Bye.